Giant box that you can barely tell what it is our new 27-inch iMac that we got. It's the new one that was just announced on like 24th of September. And Kate is going to help me open it. And we'll show you guys how cool it is in here. So go ahead and get it started so we can see what's inside. So, like I said, this is the new iMac 27-inch. It was just announced a few days ago with the new specs, and my husband had been waiting for a long time to get a new computer, and so we finally got it. And he's able to buy it through a discount place. Finding places that sell Apple products that aren't directly from an Apple store can be hard. In Japan, there are a few places that sell discounted Apple products if you don't want to just go directly through the Apple store itself. They also sell, of course, at the Apple Store refurbished items, which you can sometimes get a good deal on. But this was a couple $100 less than the sticker price, so that was a pretty good deal. We were able to get it for a pretty good, I think it was about $650 or so, about is what it was. So we open this guy up. The box is so super pretty, of course, as always. You've got your nice little white box here that has the keyboard inside, of course, as well as the new mouse. I was happy because my husband already has a mouse, so I get to have his old mouse and he can have the new one here, so that's cool. But as always, super pretty. The keyboard's so small, it looks kind of silly compared to the giant greatness of the iMac itself. But and then they have this super easy kind of system here where you can just slide off the top part of the styrofoam and then really easily get to the bottom part too. So you don't have to have like a whole huge team of people to help you unbox a computer. It's pretty easy to do just even by yourself. So you just snap off these parts from the side too, and then you've got, your computer good to go. All you have to do then is just remove the this white kind of cover that's on the outside, and then there's a clear plastic sheet, of course, on everything to keep it nice and clean. But there's a little power cable that fits in so pretty and nice into the back. It's just seamless, really. But definitely, pretty cool improvement for us. We haven't had a desktop Mac in a long time. We've been just mostly getting notebooks, and I actually think the last one we would have had was the very first iMac that came out with the colors that were available back then. So a nice return to the desktop for us. And it's huge. It's so massive. So, but definitely I would recommend it if you guys are interested in Macintosh products and you want to get a nice computer that you can keep in a stationary place. This is definitely a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful computer.